People ask me what my favorite thing to grow in the garden is. Well, today in any case, my answer is kale. This right here is red Russian kale. Why is it my favorite? First of all, it's extremely nutritious. Granted, it's not the most delicious thing in the world, but it is very nutritious. You know, that's an important aspect of food. Secondly, it's very easy to grow. It's not something that takes special treatment. Third, it's easy in a small space to grow enough to really change your diet. In other words, to really give you enough. It just keeps coming. It keeps coming, and I keep snipping it off. I'm juicing it. I'm using it in stir fries. We can make a whole greens that's simply kale. So I'm going to encourage you just to think about starting kale, very small area. If you have a raised bed, boom, one little row of it, it's going to make a very big difference. And it can also help improve your habits of eating and the general nutrition of your diet while you're enjoying cultivating this soil, taking care of your soil, and it takes care of your plants.